Today we are focusing on adding with regrouping. We are going to use manipulatives. That's base 10 blocks or anything else that you can touch, feel and see. We are going to show our progress on paper and we're going to find the answer, I hope. The first question is 509 plus 365. Where do you start? Do you start in the front by the hundreds, or by the tens, or by the units? Yes, you start by the units. Now, which one of these is a unit? The red one, the green one, or the yellow one? The yellow one is the units. So let's start. 9 plus 5 equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if anyone counted, that will be 14, right? Now what do we do with that 14? Do we just write it there, just like that? Well, if you look at it, it is actually a 10 and 4 units. Can we write a 10 by the units? What do we write here then? 14, 10 or 4? Let's look at it. There's a space for hundreds, there's a space for tens, and there's a space for units. Of course, we're writing in the units. Now, which one of these is the unit? Is it the green ones? Is it the yellow ones? Yes, it's the yellow ones. Ding, 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 we have a winner. We write only the 4. But now, what do we do with the 10? Do we throw it away? Definitely not. We add it to the tens in the sum. But where? But let's look at it. Is it 100? No. Is it a 10? Yes. Is it a unit? No. Now we know it's a 10. Do we write it in as the answer underneath the 6 next to the 4? No, we don't. We add it to the sum. So you add it to the top so that you can go 1 plus 0 plus 6 equals to what? So let's look at the next part. Next, we're going to do the tens. Which one is the tens? The red one, the green one, or the yellow one? Yes, it is the green one. So we have 0 plus 6, right? No. Remember the one from earlier? We have that one too. So it's 1 plus 0 plus 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is 7. You write it in as the answer. And we move on to the hundreds. Now, which one of these is the hundreds? Red, green, or yellow? Yes, it's the red one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds plus 1, 2, 3 hundreds equals to 8 hundreds. And then the sum is finished. Easy peasy. Now, you're going to pause the video and try these by yourself. But before you start and before you pause, you first have to collect your manipulatives. You can get a luncheon lids or books or papers or anything big for the hundreds, and pencils and spoons or knives or crayons for the tens, and beads or cents or even rolled up pieces of paper for the ones. So we're going to start off with the example sum of 509 plus 365. I have my manipulatives here, the chocolates, the socks, and the envelopes. They are my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. So we start off by plussing the ones. 9 plus 5. So we grab 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 ones plus 5, 2, 4, 5. 9 plus 5 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we have to write the 14 here. So we start off by writing the 4. Now where do we write the 1? Do we throw the 1 away? Do we write it over here? No, we learned we write it here by the tens. So we exchange these ones for a 10. So now we have 4 units and 1 10 so far. Now we have to add the other tens. So it's 1 plus 0 plus 6. We already have the 1, 0, and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes. And we write the 7 over here. Okay, and then we move on to the hundreds. Add these to our collection over here. And we start with the hundreds. How many hundreds? 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 hundreds. We make the 8 over here. Ooh. And then we are done. So we're going to start off with the example sum of 509 plus 365. I have So now we're going to do one that's not on the slideshow. 147 plus 683. We know we start by the ones. We get 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones plus 3 ones. 3. Everybody knows 7 plus 3 is 10. Now we have 10. And we exchange our 10 units for 110. Now what do? Do we leave it blank over there? Do we just move on? What's happening? Well, that's easy. You just count. How many units do we have? We only have 0 units. And then what do we do with the 10 that we have? Do we throw it away or do we keep it? Well, of course we have to keep it, and we put it up here, like always. And we have our 110, then we have to add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we don't have enough socks, so we'll just get another one quickly from the drawer. And 8. There we go. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 socks. And those are 10s, right? So 13 tens, and we write the 3 over here and the 1 over here. So in other words, we have to exchange 10 of them for 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 socks. Goes back to the bank, and I get 100. My 3 socks can go over there and have their own party. We start with 100, and we add another 100, and then we add 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600, 700, 800. And there we go. 830. And we are done. Now please go do the other 2 sums. That's on the next slide. Remember to pause to write down the sums. Thank you.